for you, or the quite serious. Baby, I'm gonna fight for you, I die for you. Oh, eh, my love for you, or the quite dangerous. Oh, eh, baby, I can't explain this feeling. Oh, eh,
First of all, let's get into this, bro. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to Catch Her on the Runway. Welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I love you. Thanks for the love that you show. It really means a lot to me. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, follow me on Instagram, Catch Her on the Runway, and follow my Facebook page, Catch Her on the Runway. This video today is all about this here, Q Master Mix Malaysian Iron Texture Straight Hair. I am going to be showing you guys how I installed and styled this very affordable, super affordable hair, and you guys won't be disappointed. This is going to be my last protective style that I'm going to be putting in before I get ready to straighten my hair and show you guys a length check update. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for that, because I'm so excited about that. I'm on a journey to waist length hair, healthy waist length hair, for those of you who are new to the channel and might not know what's going on. But this hair, as you can see, it's like the texture of it is like a permed, almost when you were, before you went natural, how you used to perm your hair, and it had like kind of that coarse look to it. So it's kind of like that kinky, yucky texture a little bit still. So this is my second time using this hair, and when I tell you guys, it blends so well with your natural texture hair. If you have any hair in the 4 or 3 department texture, this is the go-to. I'm going to leave the link, information, everything down below in the description box if you are interested in purchasing this hair. So make sure you go look at that if you want to cop. You know what I mean? If you're trying to cop, I'm going to leave the information for you in the description box. Like I said, just click the link down below. I'm going to go wash my hair right now because this fro is real dry. It needs a little help. But I'm going to wash it, deep condition it, braid it up, and then I'm going to show you guys how I slay. Because I slay. I slay. I slay. Okay, I'll be back. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. I just finished washing my hair, deep conditioning it. So I'm going to braid it up now and show you guys how I am installing this hair. I don't know if I mentioned that I did straighten my hair 12 months ago. I'm getting ready to do my 12-month update, as I mentioned before, in an upcoming video about a length check. I will also leave that link in the description box down below, along with where you can purchase the hair that I'm getting ready to put in. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get this hair dried, and then I'm gonna attempt to braid, which is my least favorite part about putting in weave or installs. Anyway, see you guys later.
oh yeah, ah na na, ah na 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 na, ah na na na. Right on this, oh yeah, Starboy boys. I'm feeling you, are you feeling me? Oh, eh, my love for you, or the quite serious. Baby, I'm gonna fight for you, I die for you. Oh, eh, my love for you, or the quite dangerous. Oh, eh, baby, I can't explain this feeling. Oh, eh, girl, you drive me crazy. Love, oh. My friends tell me I done the maga. Oh, eh, this thing I feel for you, baby, na love, oh. Sweetie baby, oh Lord of mercy, sister blessing. Oh yeah, they follow me go, oh Lord of mercy. Yes, I'm killing it, Mr. Melody, Wheezy Melody, yo, I got the remedy, Mr. Remedy. All of the girls them, they like to follow me go. Ferragamo, Ati Bugatti, King of Shita. Oh yeah, they baby, yo, I love you, baby, you. Never, never leave me, yo. I love you, baby, you. Oh baby, you. I love you, baby, you. Baby, never leave me, you. I love you, baby, baby, you. Girl, you just like fine wine. Girl, you're better with time every single day. And I'm loving the taste of this beautiful wine. Girl, you a fine wine. You are the one for me and I'm gonna waste no time. And I want you to have my baby. Baby, sweetie baby, oh Lord of mercy, sister blessing. Oh yeah, they follow me go, oh Lord of mercy. Yes, I'm killing it, Mr. Melody, Wheezy Melody, yo, I got the remedy, Mr. Remedy. All of the girls them, they like to follow me go. Ferragamo, Ati Bugatti, King of Shita. Oh yeah, they baby, yo, I love you, baby, you. Never, never leave me, yo, I love you, baby, you. Oh baby, you. I love you, baby, you. Baby, never leave me, I love you, baby, baby. Oh, yeah, move for me, girl, yeah, yeah. You the baddest girl I ever seen, yeah, yeah. I like the way you rock me, don't you, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby, oh, Josh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, move for me, girl, yeah, yeah. You the baddest girl I ever seen, yeah, yeah. I like the way you rock me, don't you, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby, oh, Josh, yeah, yeah. Sweetie baby, oh Lord of mercy, sister blessing. Oh yeah, they follow me go, oh Lord of mercy. Yes, I'm killing it, Mr. Melody, Wheezy Melody, yo, I got the remedy, Mr. Remedy. All of the girls them, they like to follow me go. Ferragamo, Ati Bugatti, King of Shita. Oh yeah, they baby, yo, I love you, baby, you. Never, never leave me, yo, I love you, baby, you. Oh baby, you. I love you, baby, you. Baby, never leave me, you. I love you, baby, baby, you.
no. I just wanted to know. I just want you to know, babe. Na 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 na. Just the other day, said I ran into this beautiful lady. She asked me my name, and I told her it's Egyptian. Immediately, she said, boy, I gotta give you something from her body. And I said, baby, quickly. She said, don't want you to tell nobody that I give it to you so easy. I said, with me, baby.
Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love creating new content for you guys, and I cannot wait till the next video is out. Also, follow me on Instagram at Catch Her on the Runway, and follow my Facebook page at Catch Her on the Runway. I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this is great hair. If you guys are looking for something quick and super affordable, I will leave the link down below so that you can purchase it. Bye for now.